Hi, my name is Kat Kerr, and today I'm going to be working on this double-page spread called Ultreia. I'm using 6x6 disc-bound journal pages as well as my new rubber stamps by Jogglesdotcom. Now I start by first inking up my rubber stamps and my stamp and then adding it directly to the page. On the left side you can see I only did half, and then I ended up using my brush strokes foam stamp on the other side just to break it up a little bit. Next up, I added some color, and today I'm using these gorgeous neon colors from Amsterdam, and I chose them because they are transparent and they also pack a punch. Simply beautiful. I ended up adding the color with the brush, but then I wiped it with a paper towel to give it more of an organic feel. Once that dried, I added some turquoise acrylic ink. Now while that's drying, I take some of my other stamp designs and I apply ink and stamp them directly onto some matte Duralar film. Now I decided to use matte Duralar film instead of using a plain white cardstock because I wanted some of that color to peek through. And matte Duralar film is semi-transparent, so you can see a little bit of it behind it. And here I am just trying to figure out the layout of the designs that I stamped. Now, instead of going that traditional route, I decided to cut the designs in half and lay them out on each side. And I really loved the way this came out because the background is already pretty chaotic, and I felt like this added to the chaos. Now, because my images are on this semi-translucent paper, I didn't want to see any adhesive on the back when I applied them to my journal pages. And so here I'm using double tack dry adhesive film. It's a double-sided film, and you simply apply it to your sheet, cut around it, remove the back, and then apply it directly onto your page. It really is perfect to use for things like vellum or something like this that is translucent. Next up, I'm using this permanent marker to go around all of the images just to help them stand out a little bit. And then I take some more of that acrylic ink. I add my title as well as some marks, and then I finish off the page by going around all of the turquoise elements with a black permanent marker to also help them stand out. Now, I really do love the way that this double page came out. And if you're not familiar with the word Ultreia, it's a Latin phrase that means beyond. While buen camino literally means have a good journey, the word Ultreia goes a little bit deeper, implying encouragement to keep going, reaching beyond, and heading onwards. Well, I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial. Make sure you stop by Joggles.com where you can check out my rubber and foam stamps as well as some Amsterdam products. Thanks for watching.